Hello guys, welcome back. So in this session we are going to discuss one of the special topic, yes, that is hidden cost. In the tendering time or during the tender stage, the most of the cost and commercial management professional, they face some difficulties to identify the hidden cost for some special elements installation. So special elements mean now we are going to analyze one of the special elements, that is signage board installation for the fit out project. So during the signage board installation, we have to analyze in this topic, there is some hidden costs are available. So if you know this knowledge, you can easily apply in this knowledge in your tendering time. So you can easily identify or you can easily produce the very accurate rate for signage board installation. So we are going to discuss in this hidden cost for 7 different topics. Okay. Alright guys, before continue this session, this is a very quick update. We recently launched a new course, yes, that is interior fit out quantity surveying practice. So you can find out this course through our official website managingqs.com. So once you click this course, you can easily reach this interface of this course. So through this interface you can find out all the course content and other related more information. So just visit and explore more. Alright, so before analyze these 7 hidden cost related information, just I'm going to introduce the building sign related some very important points are here. So we can easily divide the building sign as a 2 main portion. The first one is the external sign, the second one is the internal sign. So the external sign mean we can easily find out these types of signboard outside of the building. So you can see these are the best example for the external sign, and these are the external signboard, so you can easily find outside the building. And the second one is the internal sign, mean these types of signboards we can only find inside the building or the project. Okay, so these are the internal signboards. Apart from this, each and every signboards have the specific names, so we should understand or we should know the types of names of the signboards. So these are the different types of the signboard. So each and every signboard has a specific name. So as a fit out related course or commercial professional, we should understand these types of idea a little bit. And also we discuss very deeply in our courses also. Just I'm going to visualize this information for your consideration here. Okay, so let's moving forward for this hidden cost analysis. So the first one is the electrical provisions. So in this point we have to understand, generally these signboards, most of the signboards, there is no more any electrical provision. Electrical provision means there is only lighting, especially for the signboards. So inside the signboard there's a lighting fixture, so that's the case we need electrical provision. So most of the signboards, there's no more any electrical and lighting features, but some of the project requirement or client requirement, there's a lighting signboards are available. So in this case, the electrical provision as a contractor side commercial people, we must be allow some money for this electrical provision. So these are the one of the very important hidden costs for this signboard installation. Alright, so I will show here. So this is one of the signboards drawing. So we use these signboards, this drawing in our courses also. So we can see here the signboards. This is a signboard. So okay, so this is a signboard. So this signboards we are using for this portion. So there's one. This is the ground floor proposed signboard layout. Okay, so in this case we cannot easily identify through the drawing is there any electrical provisions required or not. So that's a very important another complicated point here. Okay, so that's a case there's 2-3 ways available to find out is there any electrical provisions or available or not. Okay, the first one is that we can easily arise the queries to the client during the tender stage. So based on the response, client response, we can identify. Otherwise we can thoroughly coordinate with this architectural and interior design drawings and other design team members to identify is there any electrical provisions available or not, something like this. Okay, so based on this we have to analyze very thoroughly. So this is our first point. The second important hidden cost point is the structural supports and fixing. So we have to thoroughly analyze the particular signboards required for additional structural supports or not. Okay, so that is very important hidden cost point. So generally most of the signboards no need for any other additional structural support and other things. So you can see here this is one type of sign. So there's no any other structural support and other things to fix this sign on top of the wall. So that's the case. We have to analyze through our drawing, is there any other specific supports need or not. So generally these types of supports are required for only if you want to fix this type of signboard on top of the glass or any other gypsum wall partition something. So you need that additional structural support. So you have to analyze that particular signboards where we have to fix in something. Okay, so this is our second important point. Right, the third one is the approvals and permits. So especially in the airports, in other some important places, we can't fix any other signboards without the authorities approval. Okay, so the authority approval sometimes required for some additional costs and other things. Okay, approvals and permits, especially in the airports or metro railway station and other bus stands like this. Okay, so in this case, if you work out any other metro project or airport project, you have to consider in these points also. Okay, so first off, you have to get the authorities approval before installation for this sign. So you have to put some additional allowances for this authority approvals and permitters. Okay, so this is our third very important hidden cost point. The fourth one is the transportation and handling. So in this point, there's the biggest signboards available. So I will show here, you can see. So in the signboards, I will show here, just wait. There's the biggest signboards are available. So you can see here the human sizes and also the signboard sizes. So this signboards called as the channel letter sign. Okay, so there's a separate letters, the biggest letters, so we compile together in the project size. So that's a case we have to arrange very big trailers and other related some authority approvals to travel the roads and other things. So that's a case we have to very carefully consider the size of the signs. So is there any transportation and other road related permits are required or something like this. So we have to consider this point. Apart from this, handling mean once the signboard reach on site, so we have to offload the biggest signboard. So that's a case we have to keep some lift equipment and other things. Okay, cranes or other things. So that's a case we have to consider in this point also. The fifth hidden cost point is the installation access and method. So in this point, I can easily explain to you like this. So this is one of the high-rise building project. We can say that is 21 floors, something like this. So you have to fix one of the signboard outside of the building, like we can say in the 7th floor, something like this. Okay, so this is very huge place. So that's a case as a contractor, signboard contractor or a fit-out contractor, you have to hire some lifting machineries. Okay, and also you need some additional scaffolding methods, and also sometimes you need some additional manpower to fix this on height signage board installation. So that's a case you have to put some additional allowances and other things. So that's why you have to very carefully consider the installation access method. Okay, so the sixth one is the coordination with other contractor. So that is also one of the very important. So during your signboard installation time, you have to coordinate with MEP contractors and also interior, sometime interior design contractors. Sometimes you have to coordinate with the civil contractor. You have to coordinate with all the contractors for some paperwork and other things. Sometimes you have to allow or you need some additional money for this coordination work. So that's a case we have to allow some additional money for this coordination work. So this is also very important. Sixth, the hidden cost. The seventh hidden cost important point is the final cleaning and protection. So once you complete your signboard installation work, you have to very properly clean out for your site work. Okay, so you have to allow some additional money for your final cleaning purposes. So that's one of hidden cost points. So most of the cost and commercial professional, they missed these seventh important hidden cost points during your tendering time for produce the rates and other things. So in this session, we just discussed the signboard installation. So not only for the signboards, there's a lots of elements are available inside the fit out work. So just visit our official website managingqs.com. So we recently launched our full course. So we discuss many things here. So you can find out all the signboard technical information and very proper drawing analysis and quantity takeoff, measurement sheet preparation and BOQ preparation for the all the fit out works, and also we attached all the supporting documents also. Just visit and explore more.